Hi everyone, this is Attorney Kelly Hunt, and this video is what is a non-probate asset? Remember, these videos are meant to be informative, not advice, but if you do have questions on whether your situation involves the topics of these videos, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to talk to anyone. In my What is a Probate video, I talk about probate assets and I do mention non-probate assets. There are certain things out there that have their own separate, we'll say, designation or beneficiary setup to say who it goes to. When that happens, those items do not go through probate. They just get usually paid directly from the company or require some other type of filing or information providing to transfer that property to who it's supposed to go to. Some of your most common examples would be a retirement plan. Usually you're going to have a beneficiary set up on your retirement plan. If not, and if it's an employer-sponsored plan, there's a federal law out there called ERISA that will dictate where it goes to. Your home, if you own your home with your spouse and you purchased it with your spouse, you probably own it as a joint tenant with right of survivorship. What this means is that immediately when one individual passes away, entire ownership passes on to the other individual. In Oklahoma, we do have to file an affidavit of surviving joint tenant, and that's what's used to officially transfer that over. Also with deeds, you can have what we call a transfer on death deed in Oklahoma, which is basically a mini will wrapped into a deed that says who the property goes to after the owner passes away. You can also have transfer on death titles for vehicles. I've seen them used for cars and things like RVs. Boats would be a little bit of a debatable. It kind of depends on whether the tax commission wants to let you do that. But those are the basic types of things that we would consider to be non-probate assets because they already have a separate beneficiary set up so that all you have to do is make a claim to whoever has the property or file a form with the appropriate agency and have ownership transferred. Now, if you've got a question on whether you have one of those non-probate assets, or if you're running into a circumstance with where the person named isn't able to take the property, either they don't want to or they're predeceased, then let me know. I can sit down, I can walk you through the process, and we can work out a game plan on what's going to be the best way to handle it. So feel free to reach out. Kelly Hunt, 918-382-9200.